This is the ball typewriter, a technology that became the global office standard from the 1960s to the 1980s. On the surface of this 3.5 cm diameter ball, there are 88 characters, ranging from uppercase and lowercase letters to numbers and punctuation marks. Once introduced, it quickly replaced conventional typewriters. When a key is pressed, two connecting rods control how far the ball rotates and tilts. Each character has its own specific printing angle. Once the correct position is reached, a hammer behind the ball strikes it forcefully, pushing it against the paper to print the character. The entire process takes only a few milliseconds. One small device, a major revolution in the world of typing.